very much. You'll have to give me a couple of minutes to kind of set it up. Mani Madhav is going to present.
Thank you all. To be frank, this company as such is just 1 month old, or I can say even less than that. So here, as we go next, we'll let you know what exactly I'm trying to do here. So as such, it's called Evo Rubix. That's the evolving Rubik's Cube, trying to get the all dimensions right. So we go with the tagline saying perfecting the perfection. So I don't know if it's already used by somebody else, but yeah, still I take it. So yeah, myself, I'm working with Musigma as an analyst, and my client is like world's largest PC maker, where I provide some marketing solutions and optimization, budget allocation, so and so. But as such, even I call myself an entrepreneur because I think of the 5 P's, I do have some P's just match with that. So apart from that, what does Evo Rubix do as such? It provides IT solutions, especially in the web development. We kind of go with PHP, .NET, Joomla, Android, iOS, and anything else. But to me, all these are boring because I know none of them. And then exactly what I'm trying to do here with this company as such, I would like to just recite a story here. Maybe it's a little personal with me as well. So my sister as such has graduated from a decent college, but then she got into a company as well, Satyam. And then after there, she got married, and now she's not working anywhere. So because the husband, he is himself earning a lot of money that she need not go to any of the company to work for. So, but she as such, she is very enthusiastic, and she wants to work with somewhere, and she wants that global exposure. And I don't think there's just one female over here, but it's like multiple people over there who just are sitting at home and thinking, okay, someday, maybe, I'll be treated equal. So that's where, I thought the market that I should go into is IT, because I can get easily any clients, whether Indian or maybe outside as well. So that's the problem, and the solution as such, we are trying to get the, web development problems done by hiring these kind of people who are skilled housewives. As such, we are not just restricting to housewives as such. Maybe in the future, I don't know. But yeah, this kind of solution that I'm trying to solve this problem. And can I execute it? We already hired a designer and even a PHP person for one of the clients that we have got. And then, yeah, so we know WFM stands for work from home. I would redefine it as women from home, especially for our company. So they have a laptop, they have a net service. All they have to do is get the requirement from us and then get it done. And to be frank, it's not working as such very well, but yeah, we'll have the challenges. So as such, the challenges part, the Indian clients, they never pay on time, nor they communicate the requirements well. So recently, one of our projects did close because of that. It's like, finally said, okay, fine, we don't know what we are looking into, but still, it's a good exercise for us. Whoever has joined us, it's like a good exercise for them to understand what our goal is and like how efficient even they are. And even the project management, because I'm not willing to quit, I'm still working with my company, Musigma. So, and then resources, yes, it's very difficult to find these kind of committed people. As of now, I'm just using some open source resourcing companies like Crow.in and freelancers and all this. And then, yeah, myself, because I kind of love my other job as well, where I just put in some 12 to 14 hours time over there. So, but still, I'm very much committed to do this. So even that's a challenge for me. And then that's all my idea. It's very simple. So as such, what I'm trying to expect from this meeting is, how I would try to get these kind of committed people to work with me, or is there any challenge that I'm not able to see from now, or maybe that I'll be facing in the future. Yeah, that's it from my side. Yeah. Yeah. Right, sir. Okay. Right, sir. Right, sir. Okay.